How to pay installment in Lazada using credit card. Want to shop on Lazada and pay in easy monthly installments? Here's how to do it with your credit card. So, start by adding products to your cart. Look for items with the installment available tag, usually around 3,000 or more. You can go ahead and add the item to your cart or click on the buy now button to immediately get redirected to the checkout sections. For example, I want to buy this specific earbuds. I'll simply open the product page, and then on the product page, you should find the add to cart or buy now button. So click on buy now if you want to buy it now. But if you want to buy more items, you can simply click on the add to cart button. So that will take you to the checkout page. So in here, you'd be required to enter your delivery information. And then on the payment method section, click on this view all methods button at the top right. And then under the other payment methods, you'll be able to find the credit or debit card. So click on this. So go ahead and enter your credit card's card number, name on your credit card, expiry date of your credit card, and the CVV of your credit card. Now, if you want to use this credit card repeatedly on Lazada, you can go ahead and save the card by enabling this. You can also disable this if you just want to use that specific card for this specific transaction. And that is how you can basically pay installment in Lazada using credit card.